The Suzuki Gsxr750, the original racer replica. Suzuki's commitment to modern Japanese Takumi has elevated the Gsxr750 to new heights of performance for some 2 decades. Dominating races and championships year after year, it has continually validated the original Gsx-r concept, born on the circuit, returning to the circuit. The ongoing success of this motorcycle legend is a matter of great pride to Suzuki and to the engineers committed to upholding the Gsx-r's race-winning heritage. The gravity of this pride has taken a revolutionary new form. The 2004 Gsx-r750, ready again to own the racetrack. The new Gsx-r750, designed with a matchless balance of handling and engine performance. It's the best 750 sport bike ever made. The race-proven 749cc DOHC 16-valve engine is mounted in a chassis almost as compact as the Gsx-r600s. Innovations encompassing size and weight reductions have dramatically reduced friction and mechanical losses. The combustion chambers are more compact, giving a higher compression ratio, and ventilation holes in the upper crankcase have been adopted. Some of the innovations are the result of direct feedback from the racetrack. These include titanium valves, lighter weight camshafts and pistons, and compression and oil control rings that have been plated with harder, smoother chrome nitrate in a physical vapor deposition system. Together, these developments account for a higher maximum engine speed and better performance across the entire rev range. The Suzuki dual throttle valve fuel injection system has a new design. A reduced pitch between adjacent barrels makes the assembly more compact, allowing a narrower airbox and a slimmer fuel tank. A great example of the engine layout benefiting the bike's overall dimensions. For more cooling capacity without more frontal area, the radiator has a new trapezoidal shape, another innovation that allows the engine to fit within such compact dimensions. 2004 Gsx-r750, the legend accelerates. Gsx-r, an invention, a philosophy, a legend. Year after year, it's the standard against which sport bikes are judged. The Gsx-r750 is the bike that started it all. The bike that has established true racetrack domination since its introduction in 1985. Its huge ongoing success is a testimony to the skill and passion of engineers who are dedicated to a single purpose: to own the racetrack. Suzuki represents unparalleled motorcycling excellence. An excellence born of Takumi, the spirit of true Japanese craftsmanship. The spirit behind the dedication and precision of Suzuki engineers. The spirit behind the finest motorcycles in the world.
I like to archive all the information I can on these old sport bikes, and I also love doing restorations on them. So if you're into that kind of thing, please check out the channel. This one here is an '89 Gsxr750 that we did a full paint restore on the bodywork.